Welcome back to another tips and tricks for your home. Steve Thacker, real estate broker. Today we're going to talk about drain spouts and the effects that the water has on your foundation. We're going to come up with an idea of how to fix this, short and sweet and quick. Not too expensive, but this is a must-do to save yourself thousands of dollars for future foundation work. It's a temporary band-aid solution to the problem, but it could save you thousands of dollars. It's an extendable drain spout. These drain spouts are about $10. They're available at any Home Hardware, Home Depot, Reno Depot, anywhere that sells renovation supplies. And what they do is they extend and they bend. So we can really direct that water anywhere we want it to go. It's going to stop any future problems. It's going to help with the existing problem. And hopefully it's going to save you thousands of dollars. Anybody can install it. We're going to show you how. So basically when it rains, all the water falls on your roof, as you can see. On this particular roof, we have a two-level roof, so we have eaves troughs on the up and eaves troughs on the down. The water comes down the roof and falls into these eaves troughs here. It's this metal system running along the edge of your property. As you can see on this particular property, it's coming into a drain. Drain comes down and water comes out. If you don't have gutters or downspouts, you may want to look into it because there's a lot of water that falls when it rains around your property, and that water needs to be evacuated or else it pools around your foundation. In this shot, we can see that the water is pooling all here. So basically the water comes down the spout, it's a negative pitch, so it runs back towards the foundation, creating a pool here. You can see that the water is going down underneath the Unistone because the Unistone has sank with the water runoff. It's slowly compacted the gravel underneath. It is now creating a pool of water here. You can see that there's already foundation degradation here. There's already been some minor repairs, some cracking along here. We're going to look at the effects along this entire wall. But for the moment, this is exactly what I'm talking about. All this water will go down here. It will pool underneath the foundation, and in the fall and into the winter, that water is going to freeze and put external pressure on the foundation wall, which in turn could crack it and water could infiltrate. What we need to do is either correct this negative slope so that it's a little bit higher so the water runs down, or alternatively, we have a cheaper solution at the moment in case you're on a budget. So that water pooling has definitely caused some movement in the foundation, as we can see. We can see here that there's some separation from the brick in the foundation. Water's got behind the parging and created some cracks. That water is not being able to evacuate, so it's just running right back down the foundation. This situation needs to be remedied, and we're going to show you how. Here's a simulation of rainwater coming down. As you can see, a lot of it is passing and going down the driveway. But there is a lot that's starting to pool behind and seep right into that section that we were speaking about. When we add these new gutter extensions, there'll be no more water flowing that way, and the problem will be temporarily resolved until we can fix the pitch and adjust the slope on those Unistones. Here's a simulation with just a garden hose. And as we can see, that about half of that water is going out and down the driveway, but the other half is heading right towards that foundation and starting to pool. We're going to go ahead and install those extendable drain spouts, and we're going to retest with the garden hose. So we're going to go ahead and change out those extensions. As you can see, I've already got them pulled right out. Just simply pull off the old ones, put on the new ones. One, two. Now we're going to go ahead and run that water test. All right, so we got the water going. We got the gutter extensions on. and we're going to see the simulation what's going to happen. We already got water starting to come out, and as you can see, it is not heading back towards the house. It is draining away from the foundation. Exactly what we wanted to illustrate. So that's a quick, easy fix. That cost $20. We're now sending the water away from the foundation. No more pooling around the foundation. And that should prevent any further damage to the foundation. So there you have it. Installing those drain spout extensions surely helped our situation. We're going to stop any further deterioration. And for a minimal cost, the problem is resolved temporarily. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. Please like and share and even subscribe to my channel if you like the content. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Steve Thacker, Real Estate Broker, helping you along the way.